Ask him what it says.
No, I'll just chat with me here, right?
No, he can talk.
No, I'll just
Go for it.
What, are you going to give me a ticket for failure?
Don't consent. He's not accepting it. He stopped though. He stopped now. If he didn't stop, he'd still be gone. Reported for what?
The video captures a tense confrontation between Scottish police and the driver as the reasons for the stop keep changing, from suspected speeding to failure to comply with orders, making the situation contradictory and confusing. The driver refuses to stop, tries to run away, and is chased by the police to the station, showing a determined attitude of resistance and arguing fiercely with the police about his freedom and unclear charges. The police use many complex legal terms, argue about speed measuring devices, music, and car windows, creating a tense and chaotic atmosphere. The contradictions about the reasons for the stop and the police's handling of the situation. Watch the whole clip and please support this auditor by subscribing to his channel. The link is in the description.
Ask him what it says.
No, I'll just chat with me here, right?
No, he can talk.
No, I'll just
Go for it.
What, are you going to give me a ticket for failure?
Don't consent. He's not accepting it. He stopped though. He stopped now. If he didn't stop, he'd still be gone. Reported for what? To who?
Report me for what? For what though? Report me for what?
How is he stopped right now? He stopped. How is he failed to stop?
All the way from Nidri Main Road.
That's two streets down the road.
I know.
Excuse me, but see if he's in fear of his life, could he not drive to a police station? Where you following him and stop then? Is that right?
I'm sorry, but...
No, but I'm allowed to do that.
Is that right?
See, that
Is that right?
You know what, that sort of stuff, if you want to challenge it in court, then that's when you put all that stuff.
No, but we're challenging you though.
Yeah, well, it doesn't matter.
Yous are here coercing him.
You can accept the ticket. Here,
No, I'm not accepting a ticket.
You're not going to
No,
accept
I'm
the
not
ticket?
accepting a
Okay,
ticket.
that's fine. A report will have to be put into the PF, and that will be the way that it will be dealt with. Or you can take 3 points on your licence and a fine.
I'm not
But you'd
taking
like
any
to get
points
more
in the
from
fight
the
because that way, I've stopped that way.
Didn't consent, mate.
I'm not
Didn't consent to the Road Traffic Act. Or any statute or act, for that matter.
Okay, fine.
So catch you later.
No, you've got to stay with me because you need to caution and charge him for the offence.
Don't understand.
I don't know. Have we done that?
Right, patch. Essential work, eh? You know what I mean? It's a fucking joke, mate. Revenue collectors. This isn't keeping anybody safe for that. And again, you've got no evidence of he was speeding. How would you know if he was speeding?
There's no allegation of speeding.
What, for failing to stop? Where is he right now? He stopped. If he did fail to stop, he'd still be driving about. You'd still be chasing him. No? Is that logical, or is it just, does that sound stupid to you?
It's not stopping when you requested to stop by police officer.
Right, but usually
continuing driving essentially to where you want to be.
no, because he was in fear. He's in fear. He's feared to use people. You know, see that boy who just died. There's an investigation with the black boy in Fife. Police kill people, mate. We need to be around our friends and family, especially when you use pillars. I've been dragged out of cars on multiple occasions because you use heavy-handed tactics.
That's what, when you want to speak to a lawyer.
Don't use lawyers, mate. We don't use prostitutes, solicitors, prostitutes.
Well, when you
we can use our own words. We speak for ourselves in court.
Are you Scottish?
Am I Scottish? I don't consent. Am I obliged to answer that question?
I'm obliged to answer.
Exactly. So is he under arrest?
No.
So is he free to go?
He just needs to be cautious.
He needs to be
It's a caution, no, it's just, what, so he's being detained?
Huh?
He's being detained right now for a caution?
Yep.
Yeah? So what, do you know how to do it or something, what you done?
He's got to write out the charge on his phone before he can do it.
Alright.
What's your home address again?
Lives everywhere. You rest your head sometimes at some places, eh?
Yeah.
This is a dangerous territory, mate, because they can get you for obstruction now. That's what they're going for. Got to go for obstruction, mate. How do you know? What is he obliged to tell you then? By law, what is it, the Criminal Procedures Act, Section 13. If you're suspecting him of committing a crime, he needs to tell his name and his address, and that's it. Is that correct? No other. He doesn't need to answer any other questions.
Just place of birth, name, date of birth, national.
Well, a date of birth hearsay.
And home address.
A date of birth hearsay, Constable.
Provided all these details.
You can't coerce him into telling a date of birth. How can you remember that far back? failing to stop. Fuck's
Well,
sake.
you need to prove evidence to me in court.
Well, you're stopped right here.
That's what I mean.
You know what I mean?
Failing to stop.
Like I says, mate, there's case law out there where a guy's been flashed by the police and he's drove straight to the police station or straight to somewhere where he feels safe. Because these cunts are bastards. You can do that, mate.
We'll see what they done to my mate last night after Morton, they battered him. Aye.
Scumbags,
He was drunk
man.
in that, mate, and they still boasted him. He's
You're
got a big
fresh out
moon
of
boot
college,
on the
these
day.
guys, like.
He's got a big moon boot on and he's fucking scarred all over his face.
Aye.
Aye.
Okay, I'm going to caution you, but before I do so, I need to...
Chief Joinder, I want to Chief Joinder, mate.
I need to charge you, but before I do so, I must caution you, you're not saying anything in answer to charge, but anything you do say will be noted, may be used in evidence. Do you understand?
No, don't understand.
The charges against you that you did on the 21st of May 2020 is failed to stop for a police vehicle when required to do so by constables in uniform, contrary to section 163 of the Road Traffic Act 1988. Do you understand the charge?
No, don't
Do you
understand.
have anything to reply to the charge? What is it you don't understand about the charge?
Heard what you're saying, just don't stand under your authority.
So understands just doesn't.
No, it's, you're speaking legalese right now, mate. Legalese, we didn't speak legalese, we speak Scots.
You're free to go. Pop your video on YouTube, do what you want with it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Enjoy yourselves.
But just on a note, Andrew, next time the police come up behind you with lights and sirens,
No, no, he doesn't. If he's in fear of his life,
I don't have to, mate.
different if it.
driving a vehicle on the road if you don't understand what to do.
You don't drive, we travel, bro.
You're stopping me for nothing, so I'm not stupid.
Wankers, eh?
Aye.
I didn't even think that'll get sent, mate. See if they.
Speeding 37 mile an hour around the
37 mile
roundabout.
an hour.
Aye, see now when you've took one, you've got radar eyes. You'll be like, fuck.
And
There's
then,
no traffic.
now he's trying to say I was failing to stop.
I don't even think that'll get sent out, mate.
Thank you for watching. Police using vague justifications to stop, question, or detain people without cause is a growing concern. Simply being in public is not a crime, and officers cannot demand compliance without legal justification, whether it's intimidation tactics, unlawful demands for ID, or escalating situations without cause. Standing your ground and recording every interaction is key to holding them accountable. Always ask questions, challenge unlawful orders, and never let your rights be ignored. Subscribe for more UK police accountability videos, real encounters, and important lessons on knowing your rights. Stay informed, stay empowered, and never stop filming.